From the sacred halls of Chidambaram, the eternal rhythm continues. We now enter episode 3 of the 108 Karanas of the Natya Shastra, movements 25 to 36, each a glimpse of Lord Nataraj's infinite grace. Urdhvajanu, the raised knee posture. Here the dancer lifts the knee with quiet strength, balancing like a flame in still air. It speaks of readiness, the body poised between earth and sky. Nikunchita, a gentle contraction. The dancer bends slightly, as if listening to the rhythm within. It is humility in motion, a reminder that true power bows before harmony. Mattalli, the intoxicated sway. The body moves like a creeper in the wind, eyes half closed in divine ecstasy. It celebrates the joy of creation, where abandon becomes beauty. Ardhamattalli, the half-intoxicated form, grace moderated by awareness, rapture contained by discipline. It reveals the perfect balance between passion and restraint. Richitanikuttam, the stamping rhythm joined with the sweeping gesture. The dancer's feet beat the floor while the hands trace circles of air. It is the meeting of sound and space, the pulse of the universe made visible. Padpaviddakam, the tossing of the foot, a playful flick that releases energy. The earth receives the dancer's touch and returns it as vibration. Here movement becomes dialogue, a conversation between body and ground. Valitam, the graceful turn. The torso curves like a river bend, eyes following the spiral of motion. It shows that even in turning, there is stillness at the center. Gurnitam, the rolling of the head, circular movement expressing awe and surrender. The world itself seems to revolve with the dancer, acknowledging the cosmic axis within. Lalitam, the gentle, the tender. Every limb softens, every glance smiles. It is the heart's ease after discipline, the serenity that follows devotion. Dandapaksham, the staff-like firmness, a return to strength, the spine erect, the arms resolute. Through steadiness, the dancer invokes the pillar of dharma, unshakable and pure. Bhujangatrashtarichitam, the serpent's elegant motion, the body undulates, rising and falling in waves of controlled energy like the awakened Kundalini. It ascends through each breath, illuminating the path within. Nupuram, the antlet's resonance. Here the dance listens to itself. Each step rings with devotion. The bells become the heartbeat of the divine, echoing through the sacred space of Thillai.